What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today you see this little head right here. It's my son. We're gonna see if that stuff that curled up my hair like it is will work on his hair also, which is this right here, the Creamer Nature's Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. We're gonna see if this works on his hair as it worked on mine. So we're going to try to zoom into his little head. Let's see. Oh. Come on. So this is his little head. We're going to wet it up with some water. Okay, now we're wet. Not putting the space up here because, you know, this YouTube algorithm stuff, I ain't trying to get flagged, so I'm going to just keep his little hair as where we're going to be at. We're going to just keep his face in here, his head in here, and we're going to try this out. So then show y'all the texture. This is a really thick cream. So we're gonna try this out, and it had my hair feeling very moisturized. So go just run it through his hair. See if it helped with his curls. We might have to use a comb. Keep your head up, they can't see your head down. But a lot of his little curls are starting to show up. So we'll come back when it's dry and see how it turned out. Alright, y'all. Catch you in a few. Bye-bye. Alright, y'all. It's done. We are done curling his hair. You can see it did define his curls. You can see it up in there. I probably put a clear video from my phone onto here, but this It defined his curls. It's still a little wet. As you can see some of the white stuff, but it's still a little wet. But you can see all his little ringlets. So it did define his curls. Gave him a curly fro. You see all the definition up in there of his little curls. Let me see if I turn this light off, will it look better? But you can see him a little bit better. His little curls are popping. You see the ones up in there real good. Look at that. But that's his little curly fro. Look at that curl. Oh. But it defined his curls. If his hair was a little longer, you could really see the little ringlets. It did shrink down, so I don't know how that product says no shrink, because that shrinkage was real, and y'all saw the shrinkage in my hair. Look at that curl right there, though. Yeah. The shrinkage. There you go. All his little curls. But I forgot I gotta. So it's not turning on. Fine curls. Stay still. You see around his neck area, I really defined it. But it really did work for his head. Look at them ringlets, y'all. He's turning for y'all to see his hair. But there you go. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. If y'all like to see more content with me using him or anybody else, comment below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.